friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to study Science Lesson 2, Matter and React. First we will see what we will learn in this, that is learning outcome in this. We will know about matter and material, what is matter, what is material, and understand about the process of fabrics. And I will tell you what the varieties of the grains and the food products, and floats or sink. What is floats or sink? First, introduction. Our needs have been increased in the modern day, and we use number of things in our daily life. It means that is right, friends, that we will use number of objects now in the modern age, and these things we get some are nature and some are manufactured by us. Natural means what the nature has, artificial means man-made things, and like the pen, pencil, eraser, ink, notebook, ball, and the food we eat, that are nature, that is also nature things, and also man-made things. In this many they are, and they have to transfer natural, and they have to be transferred natural and artificial substances. In this lesson, we will learn different things used in our life. States of matter. See, first topic is state of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter can exist in three physical states: solid, liquid, and gas. It is made up of molecules, and the molecules are made up of atoms. Friends, that the matter is that has mass and which occupies space, and this matter can be there are three states. What are they? Not like the states in our India. Another state that is solid, liquid, and gas, and it is made up of molecules. This solid, liquid, gas is made up of molecules, and the molecules is made up of atoms. Atoms are very small things. Now we can see first solid. In solid, molecules are very closely arranged. Solid are incompressible. They have different shapes, size, and volume. In solid, the molecules which are made up of atoms, that is very closely packed. The solid is incompressible, but they have different shape. Also they have size and volume. For example, table is an example. It has a shape, and it has a size also, and it has a weight also. Liquid. Second we will study liquid. In liquids, molecules are loosely packed. Hence, liquid are negligible, compressible. They have different volume, but no different shape and size. Right? In the liquid, molecules are very loosely packed. They are negligible, so they are negligible content, but they only have volume. In liquid, we will say how much liter. If we want petrol, 5 liter petrol, 10 liter petrol, but they have no shapes and size. Now, gas. In gas, molecules are loosely packed, hence gases are highly compressible. In the gas molecules are very loosely, because then only they are highly compressible. Solid, see like this only, the solid will be. Wait, I will show you. See here, friend, the solid in this, that is loosely packed. This closely packed. And gas, it is loosely packed. See, here and all many spaces are there. But here no spaces. And in this also some spaces are founded. But in the gas only many spaces are founded. Then only gas are highly compressible. Next we will learn material. What is material? A material is a mixture of substances that constitutes an object. They can be pure or impure, natural or man-made. Materials are need to get the things needed for our daily life. We need food, rest, and many other goods for our daily living, natural and man-made. Material are transferred to produce this thing. A material is an object. Materials means object that can be food also, dress, cloth, woolen cloth, any cloth. But in this there are two types. One is natural fibers. One will be natural and another man-made, artificial. There are. And third we will see fibers. Fiber is a thin thread of natural or artificial substance. It is used to make cloth with the help of power looms or the weaving machine. The fibers we get from plants and animals are called natural fibers. The fibers is, I told you, the cloths are also woolen cloth are natural, some cloth are synthetic, there are man-made. See, the fibers we get from plants. The fibers we get from plants, cotton. See, cotton we get from the plant. Animals we get, for example, sheep. From sheep we get wool. Okay. Next, cotton, jute, coir. These are the examples for plant fibers. Wool and silk are the examples for animal fibers. And what is artificial fibers? Come, we can see. Fibers made by human by chemical synthetic are called synthetic fibers or artificial fiber. Rayon, nylon, upset and rattan are some example of the fibers. See, fibers by us humans is made by chemical, that is mixed with chemical synthetic. That I told you before, that is only known as artificial, we can say synthetic fibers in the fibrous cloth. And this, for example, rayon, nylon, acid, and tagron. There are some example of artificial fibers. These fibers are obtained from the petroleum. These fibers are obtained, means we get these fibers from the petroleum complex chemical process. From this only we buy, they will buy and make a cloth of that and sell to us. First we will see natural fibers. Cotton. Cotton is a bushy plant of 5 to 6 feet high. Cotton grows well in black and alluvial soil. The cotton plant bears a large number of green pods called cotton balls. And this ball contains seed covered with white fiber. When the cotton ball mature, they burst exposing the white fibers of cotton. Cotton is usually hand-picked from the plant. See, the cotton will be like a bushy plant that will grow up to 5 to 6 feet high. And this cotton plant grows well in alluvial and black soil. And there's a large number of green pods. First it will be green pods, see here. And it is found in mainly Maharashtra. And this green and white fibers. See, green plants will be in white fibers. When it will be burst, see this yellow, brown are there, that will be come out, and we can take the fibers like cotton. Next, guinea. There are two processes of making cotton yarn from cotton. The raw fibers are separated from the seed by a process known as ginning. The fibrous material left after separating cotton seed is called lint. And the lint is then tied and pressed into ball. The final proportion of short fibers and other impurities are removed by the process of combing. Ginning means that the cotton yarn from the cotton fibers. It is the process of the ginning, and the raw fibers, which is raw, that has been separated cotton, left out and separating, and that process is called lint. And the lint is tied and pressed into ball. And final proportion of short. Other remote process of combing. And we can see spinning. The process of making yarn from lint fiber is called spinning. And the spinning is done on large scale with the help of spinning machine. The spinning, spinning means the process of lint is only called spinning, and the spinning is done on a large scale with the help of spinning machines and yarn to fiber. Weaving and kinting are the two best important processes used for making fibers from the yarn. The process of making two sets of yarn together to make fabrics is called weaving. It is done by the weavers on a machine called loom. The loom are either hand-operated hand loom or power-operated. During kinting. A single yarn is used to make a piece of fabrics. It is done by hand and also on machine. This weaving and kinting. This weaving and kinting are only two most important part of fabric from the yarn. And these two set of yarn only make the fibers that is called weaving. And it is done by the machines that is called loom. The loom is either by a hand operated, that is known as hand loom, or power and operated, electricity operated powers. And this kinting, single yarn is used to make a piece of fiber. So this kinting only single yarn to make a fiber. See, this is only for making a fibers, and it is also done by hand and also machine. This is all. See, this is only machine, and it is also done by a hand. And come, we can see what are the uses of cotton. It is used to manufacture cotton textile and garment. It is used as filters in pillows and mattress. And it is used for making surgical bandage. It is used for making dhotis, saris, bedsheets, tablecloth, and soap. This is the cotton uses it manufacture cotton textile and garment, and filters in pillows and mattress pillows that are and also inside that only cottons are filled, and mattress also, and sore bandages. Surgical bandages also used for making by cotton. Next we will see jute. Jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Jute plant has long, soft and shiny fibers. It is also referred to as golden fiber due to its colors and cost effectiveness. Jute fibers are separated from the process of wetting jute by hand and then they are dried. They are converted into yarn in some manners as in the case of cotton. This jute fibers is a jute plant. This is only jute plant, and this is jute basket and all. This and all are jute only. And this jute is also known as golden fibers because when the sunlight falls on it, it looks like a golden. So it is known as golden fibers, and due to its color also it is golden fibers. And the jute is separated from the wetting juice. It is separated by the hand also, and they will give them to dry, and they will only convert it as a case of like a cotton only they will convert. And now we will see what are the uses of jute. It is used for making bags, carpet, curtains and ropes. It is used for making cloths, for grappling bales of raw cotton, and to make sock for the storing grains. It is used for making wall hanging for decoration. This is used for making carpets, curtain and just jute. Rope of jute fibers, curtains, carpets, bags, and cloths. Many things we will make by jute. For decoration also we will use jute. Next, coir. Coir fibers is obtained from the outer covering of coconut. It is used to make floor mat, doormat, brushes and mattress. This coir fibers is obtained from the outer coconut. Outer will be see this is that is only to make, that is used to make the mats, doormats. Welcome will be written on that is also brushes also and mattress. And synthetic fibers, which is also known as man-made fibers. These fibers are made by human beings with the help of chemical process. Hence, they are called synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. These fibers are obtained from the coal, petroleum and natural gas. The synthetic fibers are, I told you the fibers, synthetic fibers is also known as man-made fibers, which is done by the human being by a chemical process. And these fibers are obtained from the coal. This fibers is obtained from the coal, petroleum gas, natural gas. And synthetic fibers are rayon, that is used for wood pulp. Nylon, silk and wool, pyrethroids, petroleum products, arcus, wood products. What are the uses of synthetic fiber? Rayon is used to make rope, cloth, cap, tire, cars and carpet. Nylon is used to make fishing net, ropes, parachutes, fabrics and bristles for brushes. Pyrethroid is used for making fabrics for suits, shirts, houses, conveyor belts, film, pet, hotels and bars. Alcohol is used to make sweaters, shawls and blankets. And this rayon is used to make rope, cloth, cap, tire, cards, and carpet. And for fishing net, ropes, parachute, files, etc. They are all made up of nylon. And polyester fibers, shoots, shirts, belts and all made of polyester fibers. Articles, sweaters, shawls, and blankets are made up of articles. And next we will grain. Grain is a small, hard, dry seed. Each grain is protected by a husk, and the husk encircles the seed. Two main commercial grain crops are cereals and legumes. Wheat, maize, rice, beans, barley, and millets are some of the whole grain. This grain is a small, hard, dry seed. It will be dry, and it is the husk. Inside the husk only will be the seed. For example, wheat. After that, the protection is only known as husk. And there are whole grains. Some whole grains are wheat, maize, rice, beans, barley. See the wheat, maize, rice, barley, beans, and millets are some of the whole grain. And wheat. First we will study wheat. The wheat is the most important crop cultivated in the world. Whole wheat is important because it is rich in fibers, vitamins, and minerals. Wheat products are breads, cakes, pasta, wheat germs, and cracked wheat. The wheat is cultivated whole of the world, and it is the whole wheat that is rich in fibers, vitamins. That in that many vitamins will be found, minerals will be founded, and some wheat products are breads, cakes, pasta, wheat germs, and cracked wheat. And we will study maize. In many tropical and subtropical countries, Mexico and America, maize is the main food for the people eat. And it is also known as corn. Maize is also made into the oil for cooking. Yellow and or colored corn may promote eye health. It is also a rich source of many vitamins and minerals. Corn syrup is used as the sweetener instead of sugar in many products. Maize products are sweet corn, breakfast cereals, tortillo, chips, taquio, and maize oil. There's many tropical and subtropical. Mexico and America is the people of Mexico and America eat many maize products, and this maize product is also known as corn. And this maize is also made into oil. It is made into oil for cooking. It is yellow, or many people will add color also for the high health, and it is rich in many vitamins and minerals. Corn syrup is used for sweetener instead of sugar. Corn syrup they will use instead of sugar. They will use corn syrup. And maize products are sweet corn, breakfast cereal, tata, chips, mac, toko, and maize oil. Next is rice. Rice is a type of grass. It is produced worldwide after sugarcane and maize. Large part of the world's women populated, especially people in Asia, have this as their main food. 90% of the world rice production is in Asia. White rice contains few essential nutrients. Brown rice is a whole grain that contains the fibrous bran. Brown rice is usually considered much healthier than the white rice. Rice idli, idiyappam, and rice oval are some food items made from rice. This rice is a type of grass, and it is worldwide. After the sugar cane and maize, 90% of world rice is produced in Asia. The rice, many products are made from rice. Brown rice are more nutritious from the white rice. Idli, idiyappam, and rice oval are some food products of rice. Next, millets. Millets are a group of small seeded grasses. They are widely grown around the world as cereals, crops from the food and the human food. It helps in loss weight. It is rich in fibers. Some of the millet products are sorghum, foxtail millet, finger millet, real millet, barnet millet, cod millet, and little millet. And this millet it will be very small and widely grown from the world. It is also grown in the world, and it is also helping us in weight loss, and it is rich in fibers also. And some products of the millets are sorghum, finger millet, foxtail millet, this barnet millet. Many millet are there. Next, household goods. These are the product that household goods means the product that we use in our house. That goods which found in a house permanently. And furniture, kitchenware, cloths, towels, bedding, books, and electronic goods are some of the house goods. And this were used in the olden days. This is clock, this is cooler, and this is stove that the stuff they use, and this is music. And modern see. Now we will use this like fridge, and this like washing machine and oven. And next we will see sneaking and floating. You could have seen that some object floats in water while others snakes. Whether an object floats or snake is decided by its density. When an object is immersed in a liquid, the liquid exerts an upward force on the object. It is known as upward. What happens if you put a coin on an empty water bottle? The weight of the coin is greater than the upward, and the coin sinks, but it is less on the empty water bottle. So it floats. This is about sneaking and floating. Sneaking is other, while that floats in a water, and upward is upward force. That is only a thrust. This is only floating. These and all are floating. But see, these and all are sneaking. Thank you, friends. Please like, share,